What's up guys, Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we are in the new office. As you guys can tell, there's no sneakers on the shelves behind me and there's no off-white clock. Really nothing's going to change behind me, at least in this part of the room, but there will be more on the other side of the room that you guys can't see because it's behind the camera right now. So I just really haven't unpacked anything. Been busy cleaning out the apartment and then moving into the house. So the sneaker unboxing has been a little delayed because I probably would have liked to do it a little sooner. But as of this video, my channel is exactly 1 year old. I think it's the day this video is coming out. So thank you guys for being here for 1 year. I think we beat the goals that I set for myself of 100 subscribers and over 10,000 video views. I think we're at almost 11,000 video views and 114 subscribers as recording this. So hopefully next year's a lot better and maybe I'll reach the 1,000. That's just really the lofty goal that I'm putting out there. But yeah, so let's just get into the sneaker unboxing, and I'll probably have another like wrap up year video eventually, but the sneaker unboxing is coming first. All right, so we're still figuring out the whole lighting situation, but I did get the overhead camera for the sneaker unboxing. This one's actually pretty hyped up, I think. It's not like the craziest, but since Dunks are really in this year, this one is doing pretty well resale wise, and obviously it's $100, so like most Dunks, they sell really well like afterwards and you'll make easily all your money back. But I did not expect to get this one. I wasn't even trying to get this for myself because I didn't really expect to get it, and I was like, might as well try to unbox it. And my girlfriend actually did win a sneakers raffle for once, since I never seem to get any, and that streak just continues. So hopefully I'll get something decent. I think the fragments come out like next week, so those are ones that I really want, really just to sell, to be honest with you guys. I don't really like Jordan 3s, but those things are going to bring an insane amount of money. So let's get into these ones. I don't even know what they really look like, the box or anything. I've only had one pair of Dunks before this, but this one is completely different. Actually, I'm not surprised by the box. I have seen the Dunk boxes before. I think the same one the Ben Jerry's came in, and the same one that every Dunk has been coming in. So just standard Nike SB Dunk box. Nothing crazy. These are a size 10, and we'll just see what they look like. And you can't see anything yet. So here they are. These are the Nike Medicamo or whatever toys, the Bearbricks. Let's get them both out first. These are the Bearbricks. They're in a size 10. This is weird. I don't like the texture of these. So they got this like fake fur on the outside. They got Bearbrick logo, and then they got some more like fake fur on the side. So there's the standard Dunks. They come with an extra set of laces, another white laces, which I actually think white laces might look a little better. But these are weird. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these before, but they do not feel good. And I couldn't imagine wearing these like in the rain or something, because they would get pretty weird, I feel like, pretty quick. But they do have the @ symbol for, I think, Bearbrick on the shoe. I do want some actual Bearbricks. I was kind of hoping like they maybe would send like a small Bearbrick with each one of these, but they didn't. Maybe a special edition, which I don't know if actually there was one. But these are the Bearbricks. Nothing crazy. I actually don't really like them at all. I'm kind of surprised these ones are selling as well as they are, just because I think once you get them in hand, they look a little worse, because I don't like this fake fur, and I understand why they do it, to be like a bear, but I'm not a fan of the fake fur or anything. So let me show you guys some B-roll of these real quick, and then we will wrap it up, because I'm not a big fan of these sneakers.
23, she left her body in Harvard above me.
So these are the Nike SB Bearbricks. I'm not the biggest fan of them, like I said in the previous clip. They're just not the greatest looking, and the fake fur is just not a nice texture according to me. Actually, the insides, the like cuff is like pretty nice and like feels pretty decent. I think it's probably just leather. And I didn't show you guys, it does have a Bearbrick insole, which looks kind of cool. But the outside is just not my shoe, so I'm not the biggest fan of them. I think they're all right, and I mean, since they're dunks, they're really hyped up right now. But if they weren't dunks, I don't think they would do very well, especially since of the fake fur. But other people might like it a lot, but I'm not a big fan. So that's basically it. That's the first unboxing in the new office. So first unboxing after starting year 2. So pretty good. Pretty good, but not the craziest. I mean, they are selling for a decent amount. So this is a pretty like limited sneaker for some people. But if the dunks were crazy right now, I don't think these would be doing as well as they are. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I guess tell me your opinions on these, because I'm not a big fan of them. But if you are, then good for you, because I could understand why someone might like them. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.